G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at May 8th, 2025's Average Arrows Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of our sellers here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how y'all doing? Long time no see. Sorry, I've started a new position at work and I'm very stressed. My puzzle solving duties have slacked. But not tonight. I got it together tonight. And I'm promising myself a glass of a 50% off red wine if I can make it through these two solves. So, we are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person reading this. You'll find a link to today's puzzle in the description down below. Pardon me. You'll also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time, 1 hat is for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a Dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, not much to talk about other than that. Let's get into it. So this is Average Arrows. So, normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, we have some arrows, and it's not a arrow Sudoku because there's no way you can make 3 digits sum to 2. But what it is this is the arithmetic mean of the digits along the arrow. So as an example, for those of you who aren't familiar with what a mean is the sum of the numbers divided by how many of them there are. So as an example, 6 and 8. 8 and 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2, because there's 2 numbers there, is 7. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. That being said, I'm going to get into it now. Let's do it. So, 2 times 3 is 6. So this is secretly a 6 arrow. So, what that means is, this is forced to be 1, 2, and 3. Putting a 2 there, 3 there. 5 and 8 over here. We can just do that. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 here means that this has to be 9 and 8 to make 17. So 5, 8 pair there means that this has to be 9 and 8. 5 here tells us that this is 5 and this is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 make 9, so this is 1 and 2. 2 here, and that's 1, that's 2. That's 4 and 5. 8 times 4 is, 8 times 3 is 24, meaning this has to be 9, 8, and 7. 8 here means that this has to be 8, and that's 7. This is 5 and 6. Alright, now this is 7, 8, and 9. Even if I hadn't spotted that, the 7 and 9 here force this to be 8. Because if you're taking a mean of 2 digits, they need to have the same parity. Otherwise, you can't have a 0.5 in a Sudoku. This is now 1, 2, and 3. This one we can still not use that same logic on. So that's 2, that's a 1 and a 3. Clover may have slightly overclued this one, and that's fine. We love that. This is the first time I actually need to use this clue. 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is 12. And we've got a 9 down here. So this is 4 and 8. And this is 6. 1, 2, and 6, meaning this has to be 2 and 6. Average of 2 and 6 is 4. It's going to unwind a bit of our grid for us. Once again, I do know that this has to have the same parity. So this sees 1 and 3, meaning this has to be 5, 7, or 9. This cannot be 9 because this would average of 1 and 9 is 5. 1 and 7 is 8, but we've got a 4 there. So this has to be 1 and 5, meaning that's a 3. What else can we do? 7 here puts a 7 and a 3. 4 and a 1. Alright, this sees 1, 3, and 7 here, so this has to be either 5 or 9. can't be a 5 because we've got a 3 there. 5 and 1 makes 6, divided by 2 is 3. So this has to be 9 and then 5. That 5 is going to unwind a couple of our pairs for us. This is a 4 and a 6, and this is a 7. Oh yeah, we've done all the variant in this puzzle. That's pretty good. Alright, 7 here. I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but when it's an arrow Sudoku, do you find it significantly harder to scan than other variants? If that's not just me, please leave like a comment down below, because otherwise I'm going to continue to lose my mind. 2 and 6 here mean that has to be a 3. This is a 2 and this is a 6. This is 1 and 6. I'm relying on these 2 digits to fix it. That's a 3. That's going to do it. That's going to do it. 5 and 6. Still haven't figured out what that digit is, but it looks like a 5. That's good enough. This has been Average Arrow Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, hope you have a incredible rest of your day, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.